What's up, everyone? All right, we're going for a little bit of a walk, and you're coming with. It's about 20 to 3 right now. It's Friday, and at 3 o'clock, I've got to attend my FOMO Friday session. Every Friday for the last, I don't know how many years it's been now, I have a session with Ted. Ted is my trading coach. And he's not a trader himself, but he heads the trading psychology program here at Warrior Trading. And what he focuses on is the stuff that a lot of us struggle with, which is the emotions of trading. I can't tell you how many times I have taken a bad trade and in just a fraction of just a split decision, a moment of lapse of judgment, given back days, weeks, or even months of profit. I'm sure a lot of you guys know exactly what I'm talking about. We're sitting here right now at the very beginning of a new month, which is exciting. I love new months. It's a clean slate, a time to kind of press the reset button. But it wouldn't surprise me if some of you guys here 3 days in have already dug yourself a hole. And you're probably already feeling, if you're in that situation, frustrated. It's the new month. You had a chance to press the reset button, and now you've already gotten yourself into a jam. For others, you may feel like the first 3 days have gone by and you haven't really made any money. You haven't made any real progress, maybe only small winners. And some of you guys may have done really well these first 3 days. You're starting to build a cushion, but odds are more of you are struggling than are succeeding. And so every Friday, 3 p.m. Eastern, we host FOMO Friday. And it's an opportunity for us to sit down, and today it'll be Ted, myself, and a few of my students who are part of the 100K Club at Warrior Trading. So they've made over $100,000. It'll be a session where we can talk about the week and what worked, what didn't work, what we're frustrated about, and it's kind of an opportunity to vent and let it go, and then also make a little bit of a game plan of what we're going to do differently here for the week ahead. Now, typically these sessions are reserved for our Warrior Pro students, but today I'm going to invite you guys to tag along. So I'm going to put a link right down in the description that you can click on. And as soon as this live session is done, I'm going to upload the recording so you can watch it. And I hope that it helps you as much as it helps me, as much as it helps our students. I hope it helps you get centered for an exciting week ahead. Right now, we're 3 days into the new month. I've had 3 green days in a row. And I've done that by focusing on consistency. Not trying to swing for home runs, not trying to be a hero, just trying to actually, this is kind of funny, but my goal this month isn't a monetary goal. I haven't made a goal of wanting to make a certain amount of money. This month, my goal is to be the absolute best teacher that I can be, and to put how much I make trading as the secondary focus. What's interesting is that I have a feeling, and we'll see at the end of the month, I could be wrong, but I have a feeling that I'm going to make more this month than I made last month, because by focusing on being a really good teacher, inevitably that means I'm going to be focusing on trading the best quality setups, the stocks that have the least amount of risk, the most amount of potential, and that are relatively easy setups. I'm going to avoid the high risk stuff. So 3 days in, it seems to be working. I'm up $5,700, but I'll tell you, yesterday I really felt FOMO. I had a lot of FOMO because there was a stock that I made the decision not to trade. I was concerned that the risk was too high, both for me and for you guys as my students. And so I sat on the sidelines, and it ended up making a really big move. And it took a lot of strength for me not to act on the desire to jump in as it was surging up, to chase the momentum, and instead sit on the sidelines and say, you know what? I chose not to take this trade because it doesn't fit within my risk profile right now. I'm gonna leave it alone. So I followed my rules on it, and even though it ended up being a nice momentum stock, I kept reminding myself that it's not about how much I could make. It's about, can I handle the loss and the risk associated with the trade. Risk and reward. That's what trading is all about. And I hope you guys, if you haven't already, checked out that link right down below. You click on that and you stream the FOMO Friday session that is gonna get started here in just a few minutes. So I'm gonna get logged in. Jess, Roberto, 100K Club students, they're gonna get logged in. Ted and Diane are gonna get logged in, and we're gonna be live broadcasting to our Warrior Pro students, and you guys are in for a special treat because you'll be able to stream this session. All right, you guys, so FOMO Friday, get yourself centered. I really hope you enjoy the weekend. Spend some time studying this weekend, going back on some of the stocks that we traded during the week, some of the charts, and see how did they play out? Where was the best entry? Where was the lowest risk place where you could have bought it? And give yourself a little game plan for Monday morning. I'll be live streaming, as always, 9:15, trading at 9:30, right till probably 10:30, maybe 11 a.m. And hopefully Monday will be my 4th consecutive green day. All right, that's it for me. I hope you guys enjoy FOMO Friday, and I will see you for our next episode, which will be coming tomorrow morning. All right, see you guys in the morning. Hey, did you know every morning I go live to stream my pre-market watch list? Subscribe to the channel, press the alert button, and you'll get the notifications. And if you want to learn more about trading, check out the links in the description. And if you have questions, post them in the comments because I personally respond to every comment posted on my channel.